Yes, now here is the first one, which is arithmetic mean. So what this arithmetic mean is? Arithmetic mean is nothing but simply your average. Okay, so if I have two numbers, let us call them as A and B. How do we find its average? It can be done like average equal to A plus B upon 2. Yes or no? Yes. If I have three numbers, so what I do? I will add all those numbers divided by 3. So in general, suppose I have n observations, so what I will do? I will do the summation of all divided by n. So the definition of arithmetic mean is like this. For a given set of observations, the arithmetic mean may be defined as the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Thus, if a variable x assumes n values x1, x2, x3 dash 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 xn, then the arithmetic mean of x is denoted by this x bar and is given by x bar equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash 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 xn divided by n. So I wrote this summation in terms of this sign. Okay, so this sign is called as sigma. So summation xi, I running from where to where? I have x1 and at last n. So it is summation of xi. Here we considered that arithmetic mean of what? These are nothing but individual observations. So for individual observations, I have summation of xi by n. Okay, so this is first definition. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average. So this is formula for what? For ungrouped data, right? Now this can be written like this. Now for frequency distribution, for this frequency distribution, what we will have? We have x1, we have two columns, x1 corresponding f1, x2 corresponding f2, x3 corresponding f3, and so on. So what, how should I write its formula as? So x bar equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus at last it will be fn xn divided by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus dash 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 fn. So which is equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi. So whenever you are considering frequency distribution, okay, with xi's and fi's, so x bar equal to summation fi xi divided by capital N. This capital N is nothing but summation of all fi's. Okay, so for finding this x bar, its formula is summation fi xi divided by capital N. This is the arithmetic mean for grouped frequency distribution. Okay, now here they have given, okay, for to reduced calculation they have given this change of origin property. Okay, so that we will see in the problem. Okay, now here is the first problem. What they have given us? Before start with first problem, we will see again these two definitions. What are those two definitions? First is if you have this arithmetic mean for individual observations, it is summation of xi divided by n. So x bar equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash 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 xn by n. Okay, and for grouped data it is what? It is nothing but f1 x1 plus f2 x2